because that's the type of learning he had from his father. Growing up from work ethics, yung sipag, dedication, even with how his dad takes care of his body, a huge example that molded Dave is definitely his dad. I asked if there's one thing he told you that you carry in each and every game. What is it? He said, whoever you're competing against, never lower your standard because the real competition is you against yourself. Self, Coach Vic.
Thank you so much, Andrea. Some words of wisdom from Lakay Danny Ay to his son, D.I. Dave Ildefonso, 32-21 in that third quarter. And you worked with Dave and that work ethic, hindi talaga siya, parang natural sa kanya.
It runs in the family. Ano talaga, si Coach Danny ay si Coach Daniel Ildefonso. Kita mo talaga, even nung pandemic, naka-zoom lang kami. Really working. Makikita mo talaga na papawi siya. They're working out, the whole family. Kita mo sa background, talagang they're really working out. Sabi nga, nasa genes eh.
But Coach Danny Ay was still with NU during that time.
Yeah.
But Dave has moved to Ateneo na.
Tapos when Coach Jeff Napa sat for NU, kasama pa rin namin si Coach Danny Ay. That was a pandemic time. So nakikita namin. So pandemic, talagang lahat nasa Zoom. Nagbibigay lang ng workout sa lahat para binabantayan namin. Coach Danny Ay talaga was really working out.
And kita sa katawan ni Coach Danny Ay. Shout out sa iyo, Coach Danny. We will be right back after this challenge.
Upon review, the challenge was successful. There was no foul. Full possession stays.
Successful challenge for Coach JV Olea. There was no foul. Yeah, I have to agree.
Ano rin naman, tama naman na nagkakamali rin naman yung mga referees. Hindi naman perfect yung mga yan. Pero hindi nila sinasadya.
(72 to 45). Karangian. Jeremy Mahinay. Masyado malayo to para kay Jeremy. Sends it to the other side. That's the third three para kay Pat Buena. Gusto ko yung role ni Pat Buena eh.
Ano lang siya eh, no? Pull up lang.
Oo. Ilorde. Corner, drive. Pabandang tira, hindi pumasok. Karangian to Pat Buena. To another shooter in Roque. In and out. Rebound, nakuha. Roque. Can't get it to fall. He gets his own miss. Buena. Pat Buena for three.
Yun,
Right between the eyes.
Pull up lang.
Set shot yung 13.
Yun yung tinatawag natin piso-piso eh.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi pa masyadong mataas yung talon sa 3. The battle there. Quezon City with a bit of momentum here. Buena has a couple of 3-pointers. He'll fire again, Buena. He checked. 4-on-2.
It's going to be an unsportsmanlike foul. Andun eh.
Could have just he wanted to make sure that there was a foul, but it's tough luck there. I don't think he had intention to hurt,
yes.
but he wanted to make sure na meron yung foul. But that's not the right way though to do it. Unsportsmanlike foul, yeah.
Going to be called for a sportsmanlike foul.
Sportsmanlike foul on number 31, Pat Buena, his second.
Sayang yan because
They're starting to run eh.
Oo.
May run na yung Quezon City. And they're only down by 21 points. Kanina, lobo na yan eh.
it's good para kay Nico Ilorde.
Steady point guard of Abra, Nico Elorde.
ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community. 73-51. Pinalitan si Buena. Ali Baldo is in the game. Batino. Ooh.
That was a good pass, good look. Enzo Serrano. Ano sila eh, iba na eh, matagal na silang magkakasama talaga eh.
Jake Agoncillo nearly took Alfred Batino's head off on that foul. Hindi na pa ito, maganda nilalaro. Maganda yung opensa ni Alfred Batino. 16-6. One of his better offensive performances with Abra.
I remember when he was starting with Abra, medyo nag-a-adjust pa siya eh, no? Nung bago.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, talagang ano na siya eh, pulidong-pulido.
Agoncillo against Baldo. Jake, jumper. No. Rebound. Jokno. Oson. Galing. Galing naman nun. Yung Jay Oson, binitbit niya eh. Natay niya na lumapit talaga si Alfred.
Para magkaroon ng contact eh.
Oo. Watch this.
Yan.
Pababa, palipad pala siya. Pababa na si Alfred eh.
Nakakatuwa tong Quezon City, no? Talagang ano sila eh, they don't really care about the score, they just play.
78-51. Here comes Serrano. Jay Yutok drives. Yutok down the middle. Iba ni Jeremy Mahina. Karangian to Ken's Jokno. Hindi na hawakan yung Manso Bolo doon. (76-53). Yutok inside Encho, nabitawan ng bola. Hoso taps it to Mahina. It's now with Hoso, the in and out dribble. Hoso to Jokno, well defended by Baldo. Encho Serrano Bumuelo. Yutok for two.
Showtime!
Mahaba pa to, 6 minutes remaining in this ball game. And Salazar will finish.
I thought a while ago, mababa na yung ano eh, yung energy ng Quezon City, pero pinakita nila dito sa fourth quarter, bomba na naman sila eh. Parang hindi napapagod nga eh.
That's number 4 on Jeremy Mahinay. Yung maganda dito is that Abra is playing with a lot of intensity too. Parang hindi rin nagre-relax yung Abra.
Totoo.
Nakikita nga nila sa Quezon City na hindi din tumitigil eh. The relentless din ng Quezon City.
Kasi pag bumaba ka ng konti sa intensity mo, aabutin ka nitong Quezon City kasi they're just playing and playing.
Extreme ang subok at kompleto ang appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Encho Serrano with 12 points. Trinidad is in for Encho Serrano. So 4 homegrown players para dito sa Abra. Nabayan na sila ni Kuya Alfred Batino nila. Jokno, runner, good. 80-57. Nagpo-pressure pa sila dito. Batino nearly lost it on good tap by Baldo. Trinidad is fouled by Agoncillo.
That was a clear foul.
Sayang yun.
Mhm.
Ganda na sana eh.
Yun yung mga last minute na magsisisi ka eh. Bakit mo final?
Sana hindi si under ako ang coach Vic, sana hindi siya nagalit sa akin.
Pero naman kay Christian, nagagalit ako.
I'm sure magagalit. No, Trinidad missing the first, second one is good.
24-point lead by the Abra Weavers.
Coach JV Olea sues for time. 81 to 57, 5 minutes remaining in this ball game. Jeremy Mahinay, 10 points and 11 rebounds against Sarangani in just 21 minutes of action. Tonight, 6 points, 9 rebounds, and 2 assists since we're not joking na medyo na-rejuvenate siya dito with Quezon City.
Actually, yung players talagang you have to give them the break.
Salazar, nice move, kick out, misfires. Salazar. They just don't know when to stop, Quezon City. They have not stopped playing.
They just play, and play. Actually, katulad kanina pinag-usapan natin, they were really running those plays. Talaga natatakbo naman nila. Di lang talaga nako-convert into points. But they're getting those good looks, good shots.
Ang ganda ng buy-in nila dito kay Coach JV Olea at saka kay Coach Jeff Murillo is helping out in the coaching duties.
Yeah.
Parang assistant coach din siya dito.
And yung veteran yung pagiging veterano ni Jeff Murillo makakatulong talaga. Kita mo, he's shouting from the bench, he's giving instructions to his teammates. Malaking tulong yon para sa kanila.
Baldo missing on the jumper. Yutok with the rebound. We go to Baldo. Jumper, yes, got it. Josh Asuncion, first basket of the ball game.
The homegrown talents of Abra.
Nakikita niyo ang mga players na to dun sa Solid North Cup na nilaro nung December.
What's nice about this players, yung break na nabibigay sa kanila eh. 'Di ba? Who would think na they could play in the MPBL?
Yeah. Ganun naman talaga eh. No? Isa rin sa mga kupunan na ganyan. Yung Ilagan Isabela Cowboys eh. Mga homegrown din. But a lot of the teams that we have here really living up to that mission na bigyan ng opportunity sa mga young talent na taga doon sa kanilang bayan. To 61. So slippery, kids.
At 3:31, laban pa rin yung Quezon City.
Yeah, even with the 20-point lead. Look at this. Baldo,
Good.
why?
Yeah, good
Na ano siya dun ha?
execution, oh.
Naisahan siya dun ha?
Oh, akala kasi nila magbibigay ng down pick tapos lalabas eh. Kinuha niya, binakdoran na lang niya.
Na, kumbaga, yung Wise din si Jokno, diretso na siya doon. Wala namang tao doon
That's
eh.
true. Tsaka nakaharap kasi siya, mukha siya magbibigay talaga ng back pick eh.
They get a steal here. Hoson lays it in. MJ Hoson. It's down to 17. Laban na ng mga
17 points.
homegrown to eh. Yuto. Nakabuelo. Layup. $85-66. Batino still leading this unit here for Abra. Jokno fires a jumper.
This is a very good break for the homegrowns of Abra and Quezon City.
14 in the ball game para kay Kenz Jokno. 85-68. Batino, the sidestep move. Can't get it to fall. Mahinay. Little late on the pass. Salazar loses it to Baldo. Short. 2.5 minutes remaining. 14 seconds in the shot clock. It's Clark Derrigue comes back in. I think Mahinay's night is done.
Kakatuwa si Jeff Murillo. Talagang inspiring his teammates. He's talking to them, giving high fives, being a veteran.
Nice fake. Hindi pumasok. Yung tira. MJ Hoson comes away with the loose ball. Hoson will fly. Ooh! Whoa! But nandun ang kanyang kakape na si Salazar for the stick back. It's just 15 ang lamang dito ng Abra. They will, kunting pamagaw. Harley Baldo. Crowd on the way to the cup.
Actually, matagal pa yan. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 4 seconds. Yung mga ganyan sitwasyon, di ba? Nagdadalawang isip ko, magbabalik ba ako ng ko o iiwan ko lang sa mga players na mga homegrown ko yung Yun siguro iniisip ni Coach Yong. Pero
Well, they have to they have to feel the pressure here right now for yung para sa Abra na yung homegrowns nila. Kailangan nila na maramdaman to. There's no better way than to do this here in the preseason.
yeah, no better way of learning how to, di ba?
Navigate these points of the game.
Get out of the situation. A lot of learning.
Hoson gets it to Jokno. He'll drive. Travel.
Ganda sana nun.
Yung upstep, same foot landing, hindi pwede yan. Dinay mo pa ni referee Francisco. Under 2 minutes to play. Baldo gets it across. Yutok to Batino. Yutok layup, short. Hoson with the rebound, nagmamadali. MJ Hoson, Salazar from the corner. That doesn't go in.
Sayang, dalawa sila.
Agoncillo with a recovery. Clark Derrigue for 3. Look at that with the rebound.
Parang off ngayon si Clark. Usually it makes those kind of shots mga tira na yan ni Derrigue.
Baldo got it. Harley Baldo with a 3. His 4th point of the night. And 88-70 for Abra with under a minute to play here in Marikina. We'll be right back. Final minute of this ball game. Abra will take the victory here, pero we are seeing a lot of good things from this Quezon City Black Bulls team. Jokno,
Very promising Quezon City team here.
marami silang ano dito. Mga palaban ng mga player. Yung palaban in a good way.
Yeah, totoo yun.
Ang dami mga pitbull dito eh. Pat Bueno. Andun pa rin ang kamay ni Pat Bueno. 5-3 na yan.
Walang
Buena
ano,
rather. Pat Buena, sorry.
galing pa sa ano yan ha? Galing pa sa bench yan.
Oo. Doesn't look like they are going to foul here anymore. But Quezon City making a good account of themselves in this duel with the reigning MPBL Kings. The Abra Solid North Weavers with an 88-73 win over the Quezon City Black Bulls. But this young Quezon City team has showed that they can mix it up with the best team in the MPBL. Kinapos na talaga sila dito. Mabigat ang firepower at ang lineup nitong Abra. Ibibigay natin ang ating best player of the game sa player na halos hindi nagpahinga sa game na to.
Parang hindi nga talaga nagpahinga eh.
Sumabay pa dun sa sa homegrown unit nitong Abra. He was in there from start to finish. Si Kuya Pats. Alfred Ryan Batino. Cebuano big man making his presence felt from start to finish for Abra. 88-73. Abra picking up win number 4. They tie Batangas at the top of Group A ng ating preseason invitational.